What's up, my lady? This is Dik Tollie, and I am at Nuri's Sushi Factory in Promenade, Mitchell's Plain. And I am enjoying some sushi today. I'm enjoying some bubble waffle. It's like an ice cream place inside of Nuri's, and also it's Alibaba's. Yeah, Alibaba's cold burgers. You can go get yourself some burgers over there, some shawarmas. All that stuff is in here, in this building, in one place. Nuri's Sushi Factory. What's up, my ladies? This is Dik Tollie, and I am in Promenade, Mitchell's Plain, and I am at Nuri's, and we're going to be eating some sushi today. It's going to be off the chain, so guys, I'm going to krijg een paar platters order, so jullie kan zien die variety wat hulle het. Alright, it's your boy Dik Tollie. I will be back in the next segment, doing it like this. Holla at your boy. Love fish and chicken grits. Let's do this. Boom! What's up, my ladies? It's your boy Dik Tollie, and we are at Nuri's in Promenade, and as you can see, we're going to be eating some delicious sushi. Sushi is out for Amelie, but I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. So let me get into it, and let me show you. En ik wil zien hoe het gaan proeven op een of andere dag. Alright? Alweer, zoals jullie kan zien, ik weet niet wat, die lijkt zo'n stuk waterlimoen, wat is een stuk vis. Wat is de vis? Dit is salmon, this whatever, of... Ja, it's like in a so.
This salmon, you know.
Okay. Salmon is orange in it. Salmon is orange in it. You do like that. So let's say the sashimi. Ja, kan zien voelen die platters is like full, but ik kan het niet. Ik vreet. So ik heb hier twee typen like platters voor jou hier bij Nuri's order. Is like de krijg je rauwers. This is the raw. The original sushi. Wat je wil zien is like je sushi. En dan krijg je die crunch man. Als je fried sushi. So ik heb mijn auto georderd. Because dus misschien lijkt meer die fried sushi. En misschien ik lijkt ze raw. So voor mij altijd fantastisch.
So you like the sweet chili one? That other one, I don't know what you call it, and the cheesy one. Do you like the cheesy one? I don't like the cheesy one. It's too cheesy.
Is it too cheesy? Yes, sis. Ik weet niet vegetarian in het zien, maar ik denk als verzoek in. Yep, Nuri's, off the chain, next level. Owens, ik recommend it. 10 out of 10. Get yourself down to Promenade and get you some Nuri's, no? Nuri's sushi, and I think they got a bubble. Then look, so this thing is the ice cream thing. You can get yourself some ice cream also before you leave. Alright. Love fish and chicken is your boy Dik Tollie, and that's how we do it. Alright.